Hi friends, welcome to H2O. Dr.Sasi here. We are going to be talking about very important product which I use in regular patients who have a lot of eye problems and also problems in the mind to improve their vitality. It works very well, and this is called fish liver oil or cod liver oil. So the dosage is 1 gram per day, and the requirement daily dosage is that much. We can take it in the form of fish. Any type of deep sea fish is very good. Salmons, sardine, all these things. But we have it in tablet form called cod liver oil tablets. So what all functions does it have, or what all areas it works on? It works on in the skin. How does it work? It improves the texture of the skin, the wrinklings in the skin gets better, and that is by strengthening the collagen fibers. The wrinkles are improved, and so you feel young. Ironed and wrinkled shirt. So it works very well in your aesthetic part. In the eye, it works very well for patients who have inflammation. I use it extensively for dry eye patients who have dry eye, redness, irritation, watering, all that. I use them regularly, and I use it for uveitic inflammation. I recommend it for glaucoma patients, because glaucoma, it decreases the pressure in the eye. That's what the recommendations say. So intraocular pressure increase. Any patients are there, their optic nerves are getting damaged, I use this cod liver oil tablets. So to strengthen their immunity, also I give. It improves the clear thinking, way of thinking. If there are a lot of people who have cognitive loss, any human will have a cognitive decline, and to improve that cognitive decline, in the sense to improve our memory, it works very well. And also in Alzheimer's patients, we have seen it works very well. And also for patients who have attention deficit disorder in kids, also it is given to ensure that the disorder is taken care of, to improve the mood for patients who have depression. So if they have a lot of stress, IT professionals, I give a lot of them. And patients who are diabetic, who are increased risk of heart disease, I recommend fish liver oil. And also for weight loss, even for weight loss patients, patients who are obese, I recommend this very strongly. How it helps in patients with thinking, their in the order of improving their memory power is by it has got DHA. DHA is strengthens the cell membrane health, and hence it works, as I told you, it works very well for patients with Alzheimer's. And to prevent Alzheimer's, it is better we take it from a young age itself. So this is like a Sarva Roga Nivarani, they say in Tamil. It works very well in a lot of areas. It is a very important product or a tablet for people who have joint pains. It works extremely well. So how it improves the immunity of people? It actually, the prostaglandins which are there increases the antibodies in the body, and thereby it improves the immunity, and it improves the stamina of a person. So if you see that the stamina is improved, the joint health the joint pains all are decreased. There decreases the worsening of arthritis, though arthritis can't be stopped, but it definitely decreases the pain and the worsening condition of arthritis. And it protects nerve cell damage. So any nerves which are getting damaged, it is an antioxidant properties, it looks like. Less stress and better mood. That's because of increased serotonin, which is called a happy hormone. So it is given in patients with schizophrenia. And as I told you, it decreases the eye pressure and helps in preventing glaucoma. And also it has a lot of other vitamins and minerals depending on the type of fish we take it from. Basically, the amount of vitamins are vitamin A and vitamin D. So it's for the skin to glow nicely. This is very effective because it increases the collagen, and it fights acne and blackheads as well. So because that reduces the inflammation. So also last but not least, for patients who want to enhance their breast size, it works very well because the polyunsaturated fatty acids help in increasing the cup size. So these are some of the recommendations for cod liver oil, and we use them extensively in our clinic. If you need them, you can come and